I've often thought about doing a lanai over the deck or a part of the deck. It's so easy. Yeah.
That is really cool. You know what? This is what I like to see kids doing on a Sunday rather than like going to soccer practice and 100 different organizational things. At least the kids can play.
Isn't that the Choctaw Bridge? The Choctaw Bridge? I'm talking to you. Shelly doesn't want to be in the video.
I like the videos either.
It's been a long day. I'm not
Going to YouTube. Going right to YouTube. Whole world to see.
I'd like to see somebody get on the slide down and lay down their butt.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Come on, I got a perfect.
Yeah, that might be.
Hun.
I know you would pay for me to do
I
that.
will pay you. Come on. Oh, just the first level. You don't even have to go up to the top. Just go from the middle level and slide down.
You first.
$500.
That's not even enticing.
Oh, come on. $500. I might do it for $500.
That's a little chunkier though.
Then again, I have to figure out how much.
Oh, your dog is like that? How cute.
How much it would cost to bail me out of jail.
He's fluffier.
Yeah. He probably gets
He doesn't get cut. Yeah, no, he doesn't get groomed. That's not hot.
All right, let's check out the construction course so that we can rebuild this. What do we got? We got 4 posts. They look like they're 6x6s. And you got a double 2x8 on either side, and then 4x4 cross members spaced on about, that looks like about 18-inch centers.
You have to have room for 4 like this though. You can't just have a two.
And the chain is bolted to the second one in.
Need some WD-40.
And some WD-40. I'm building it. Next summer when you're home, Car.
Oh boy, get an
All right.
internship for you. Free up.
We've got the material list.